Hey yo, it's about that time that we get back into another general timeless intuitive reading for my soul tribe, divine divinity, seeking serenity, peace, harmony, and bliss in our soul-driven purpose and design. Greetings and salutations. What's goody, folk? Welcome back to your soul-driven, soul-intended YouTube channel and video, where I am your host, coach, and creator of all things soul-driven, soul-intended. Your soul-driven spiritual advocate. I'm Bryson. That includes my podcast, Spiritually Logic, my additional YouTube channel, and of course you, my soul tribe, Divine Divinity. It is currently 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, September 29th, 2024. And of course, we're back at it with another general timeless intuitive reading for my soul tribe, Divine Divinity, and whoever else resonates with any of these messages at any time you come across them. As I was cutting the deck of my channel messages, unconditional love is coming out. Okay? So shout out to my soul tribe and individuals who are in the energy of unconditional love for self and for others. Unconditional love is simply wanting and wishing the best for others, not preying on their downfall, not having ill intentions towards them. And that doesn't also always mean that you have to like someone. Okay, 144 on the clock timer, chosen ones. Shout out to my fellow chosen ones. Okay, and it doesn't mean tolerating toxicity. You can love people from a distance. Someone could be double dutching in and out of your energy, or double dutching in and out of other people's energies, however it resonates. It's important to know to return to senders. 212 on the clock timer. Upcoming changes for your highest good and expansion. There's a surprise coming your way, and someone wants to make atonement towards you. 227 on the clock timer. There's no place like home, but we know that home is where the heart is. It's where you're safe, protected, encouraged, and inspired. So someone in your family could be wanting to make atonement for some wrongdoing that they committed, some betrayal that was committed against you. We have here alrighty, sorry about that. My camera cut out. So we have 7-11 here and divine love. Okay, so divine love, you could be coming into union with your divine counterpart, your kingdom spouse. Others of you are dealing with the 7-11 energy, people viewing you as an energetical convenience store, that they can just come in all willy-nilly in and out of your energy, double dutching in and out of your energy at will, taking supplies at will. Okay? So be mindful of that. Return to sender and call back your energy. We're about equal give and take, reciprocity. Okay? Yeah, you're building an empire right now. You're in this phoenix energy of rising from the ashes, and in this energy of self-care after dealing with karmics who are pulling on your energy because they ain't too proud to beg. So yeah, there are people who are viewing you as some sort of energetical storage place, some energetical spiritual warehouse or storehouse. Okay? These people have no respect for you or your energy, okay? let's go ahead and see what the forecasting of energies have for us in this spiritual weather with my numerology and dice, and then we'll get further into some initial channel messages. Okay, so I'm looking at 112 on the dice. There's a kitchen witch out here somewhere that is possessed, okay, with using kitchen magic, kitchen witchery on a chosen one, earth angel or light workers, light beings. Okay, so with the two dice coming out with one that's giving me master number 11 energy and vibes, you're a master intuit, a master intuitive, okay? So you're mastering your intuition. Alrighty, so I'm back once again. Sorry about that, you guys. My camera was acting up. So there are some karmic energies, outside energies that are trying to prevent this reading from occurring. Whatever is going to come out in this reading is very significant. Again, having something to do with some kitchen witchery. Someone who is practicing kitchen witchery is possessed by their own low-level dark energy and magics that they are sending out. On the dice, I threw 112, okay? So 11 on both of the dice, both the red and blue dice, is signifying master number 11 energy. So again, you're a master intuit who is mastering your intuition on a primary and intermediate level, coming into your clear senses, or either your clear senses are strengthening. You could even be coming into some sort of telepathy at this time. This is Aries and Mars energy, 111 on the clock timer. So you're definitely in your God energy. You're in your own personal power, self-empowerment. So yeah, we're definitely dealing with karmic energy right now that's trying to overpower you and trying to overpower this information in this reading from getting out. And so karmic's here. They're pulling on your energy because they ain't too proud to beg. As I was saying in the previous clips of this video, and I'm going to edit them into this reading, 144 on the clock timer, chosen ones. They're pulling on your energy. They see you as this 7-Eleven, 24/7 convenience store for energy, a source of supply. So you could be dealing with spiritual narcissists. You say you love me, but I know it's a lie. You're dealing with people who are claiming that they love you, making demands on you out of their so-called love for you, but making demands on you and your energy. Okay, they know that love, unconditional love, is your love language. I just saw 222 on the clock timer, okay, which brings us to the third and final dice, which is 2. Union, companionship, partnership energy. From any end of the spectrum, this could be romantic, platonic, familial, union with your soul tribe, union with your divine counterpart, your kingdom spouse, or some other business collaborative energy that's coming into play. 731 could be a synchronization that stands out for you. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the spirit number 112 to see what this message is before I pull a few more initial channel messages. And we'll get into some tarot and then some cartomancy. I'm looking at 316 on the clock timer, so that gives me John 3:16 energy. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. The angel number, spirit number 112 is a clear sign that it is time to change and become a better person who will appreciate the good things in his or her life. So this is speaking to being appreciative and grateful for even the smallest blessings in your life at this time. But you are advancing in this area. I just saw 345 on the clock timer, so that is advancing in the right direction. Angel number, spirit number 112 is a message from your angels not to be hindered by old habits that need to be changed. It tells you to look to new experiences with optimism as they will bring about favorable and positive effects and opportunities. This helps with achieving goals and aspirations and allows for the old to be replaced with the new. Okay, so replacing the old with the new. Angel number, spirit number 112 encourages you to be yourself. Angel number, spirit number 112 tells you to look to different ways to enhance your home, garden, and surroundings. This includes matters within the house and family arena. Okay, this could have something to do with using the art of feng shui to usher in more positive energies into your life and environment. The angels encourage you to surround yourself with love and gaiety. I just saw 456 on the clock timer. So you're really advancing, making advanced steps, moving forward in the right directions in regard to what this spirit number and message is talking about. Okay? Angel number, spirit number 112 is a message from your angels to ensure that what you put out to the universe is of a positive nature so that you will get that in return. You are asked to stay on a positive path and to use your natural skills, talents, and abilities to their utmost for the benefit of yourself and for others. The overall number and energy here combined is 4. So we're talking about your foundation space and energy, and that your foundation is being protected. Foundations of the light regarding your idealisms, belief systems, relationships, 555 on the clock timer, upcoming changes, foundations of your relationships from all ends of the spectrum. Fourth house energy, you're breaking through these illusions using your intuition, whether they're illusions regarding your family confirmation. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Whether you're breaking through illusions regarding your family or illusions because of your family. So take that where it resonates. On that 555 that I saw moments ago, there's also a lot of attention being paid to the color of who you are. A lot of people are watching you and how you are using your creativity to communicate things, to express yourself. So continue to do that, okay? So you are definitely coming into union with your divine love, your divine counterpart. For those of you that resonate behind that energy, Marie Laveau could be significant for you or to you. But in above all things, know that you are in alignment at this time, okay? You could be undergoing some integrating some shifts and transitions and transformations in your life. But looky here, begging and pleading is coming out. So again, that goes back to that 7-11 energy. Somebody is definitely begging and pleading for your energy. This could have something to do with fraud, identity theft. I just saw 731 again. So that number 731 could be highly significant to you as well. I want to see what that number means. That spirit number 731. Because I just saw it twice within a few minutes. Or even seconds. So let's see here. Angel number, spirit number 731 is a message from the angels and ascended masters that you are being fully supported and encouraged, to make the life choices and decisions that will bring you into perfect alignment with your life purpose and soul mission. Give any fears or anxieties to the angels for healing and transmutation, and know that all is going to divine plan in your life. Angel number, spirit number 731 indicates that your thoughts, feelings, and impressions are being infused with divine guidance, and you are being aided and assisted with the actions you are taking in your life. Trust that all is happening for your highest good and are in and are in line with your soul-driven purpose and design. Your missions, your angels, excuse me. Your angels surround you with love, light, and blessings. The joy of loving and giving to others goes a long way towards personal growth and development. So again, the overall number energy here with this number is 11. 911 is just on the clock timer. Someone's in an emergency, okay? Or someone may need to call 911. So with this 11 energy, master number 11, a master intuit, this is your 11th house energy, Aquarius and Saturn. So this is all about teams and groups, friends and colleagues at this time, okay? So take those energies where and how it resonates. Let me go ahead and clear this energy. Put these initial channel messages to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into some tarot already. As I cut the deck, we have here the Five of Swords in the upright. So somebody is willing to risk it all, doing whatever it takes to come against you, okay? Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. And they're obsessed with this energy. Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus energy. So someone is lazy but obsessed with working without reward. So this could have something to do with your work or what you're cultivating and creating and manifesting at this time regarding your work or your resources. This could even have something to do with your physical health, but you know, they're willing to risk it all, whatever they're doing behind the scenes. They don't give a damn about any consequences. They don't give a damn about how it affects other people, okay? They're at a winning at all costs type of energy, and they're being sneaky with this unbridled ambition towards coming against you, femme masculine. Okay, and again, as I am intercepting and picking up on these energies, it's not to worry you or put you in an energy of fear. It is simply to make you aware of what's going on around you energetically so that you can protect yourself properly and still focus moving forward in your purpose and design, okay? So someone is in the Nine of Wands energy in the reverse. They have no tenacity, okay? They're whatever energies that they're calling on and that they're using is not benefiting them for their highest good and expansion. Okay, they're exhausted, questioning their motivations, and in this energy of fatigue. Also, with this King of Wands energy, as I cut this deck, it's a dark masculine energy who's giving bad instructions, okay? Okay, having unrealistic expectations, overbearing and impulsive with whatever they're doing behind the scenes. So this is a dark masculine energy, male or female, willing to risk it all, okay? They want to win at all costs, but their expectations are unachievable. But there's a King of Wands up here in the upright who's in this wish fulfillment energy with this Nine of Cups. As I continue to cut the deck, this King of Wands, this is a divine leader, male or female, that sees the big picture. Okay, so this is kind of giving me a twin energy, possibly for some twin flame energy. 1313 on the clock timer. There's some endings coming though to these people who are in this energy. Okay, but let's see what comes out officially in the deck, in the tarot. Holy Spirit, what do we need to know about this time-space continuum? What's going on with this wanting to win at all costs, being sneaky, this unbridled ambition? Holy Spirit, what do we need to know in regard to this energy? Give me a card, please, and thank you. messages clear, concise, coming from the Holy Spirit of the Most High for the good of fem, masculine, divine, and chosen ones, light workers, shamans, alchemists, empaths, starseeds. 1404 on the clock timer, 144. A hermit in the reverse. So somebody's isolated and alone. This came out in the last reading that I did earlier today. Somebody is isolated and alone. Okay? Because of their actions. Willing to risk it all with this unbridled ambition is going to isolate you. Because in that energy, it's inevitable that it's going to show other people that you don't give a damn about them, whoever's in this energy. Okay, so we got some cards that jumped out, so I'm going to take all four of them. Eight of Wands, yeah. They're isolated and alone because they're in this Eight of Wands in the reverse, being slowed down. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries energy. Three of Wands in the reverse. They're being blocked off. Whatever it is that they're trying to do behind the scenes and being sneaky, they're being blocked off. They're experiencing a lot of obstacles and delays with this Eight of Swords energy in the upright. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. They're either trapped in self-victimization or they're in prison, going to prison. With the Six of Pentacles energy in the reverse, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus energy, they were trying to dominate you and your resources. Six of Pentacles in the reverse. This is all about domination, okay? Suppressing whatever it is that you're doing so that they can dominate you. Okay, if somebody was trying to offer you some sort of partnership or trying to offer to do something for you, best believe there were some strings attached, okay? It was a part of their sneakiness. Okay? And they could have possibly been acting out in these energies because they wanted to see you isolated and alone. 166 on the clock timer. Let's see here. What else do we need to know at this time, Holy Spirit, in this time-space continuum? King of Swords in the reverse. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So this is dark masculine energy, regardless of gender. This is someone who is manipulative, cruel, and at the core of the essence of their being is ultimately weak. That's why they have to use all of these tactics and strategies, being sneaky and willing to risk it all in order to gain something from you. Because they're weak. They can't stand up and look you eye to eye, nose to nose, mouth to mouth, and speak on what it is that they want and need and desire. And you're shining a light on this with this Sun energy, Leo energy in the upright. Okay, very warm energy. They know that you're a warm, caring being and that you make people feel warm when you're around them. This is also joy and success and celebration because of your positivity. Okay, and with this light, okay, it warms an entire planet. Okay, so this is also giving me some sort of global energy, okay? Your light is shining brightly on everyone that you come in contact with, whether it is face-to-face or even through social media. And you're shining the light on some sort of truth or something like that, okay? What's hidden in the dark always comes to light. That's what it's giving me. What else do we need to know, Holy Spirit? Okay, that's why they ask is in this trapped energy or in prison, however it resonates for your storyline. Look, yeah, the star in the reverse. This is someone who has no faith, who doesn't believe in a higher power, okay? Doesn't believe in the existence of the Holy Spirit of the Most High God and is highly insecure with where they're at this time in their life. What else, Holy Spirit? What else do you want us to know? Okay, these people are highly secured. Yeah, they're in this star energy in the reverse because you're in this world energy in the upright. You've completed a major cycle behind this energy, fulfillment harmony. You're in a harmonious stage in your life right now, and this is causing them to be isolated and alone, to be blocked off, slowed down, dealing with a bunch of obstacles, and trapped within their own energies in which they're sending out to individuals, and possible even jail time if they've been out here committing crimes. The overall energy of this reading is the perspective of someone who's in this chariot in the reverse. 1919 on the clock timer. That's 1010 completion. If you've been seeing 1010, this is definitely your message. So with this chariot in the reverse, someone is out of control. They have no direction, and they're taking out their aggressions on other people. Okay, but they're going to get nowhere fast in this energy. 10 of Wands in the reverse, they didn't answer the call of their life. They went the total opposite direction, dealing with a lot of burdens. Okay? Knight of Cups in the reverse, they're highly disappointed. And you had to fight against this energy. You had to defend yourself against this energy. 2 of Pentacles in the upright, you're adapting to changes, and you're in this Ace of Cups energy in the upright. Okay, new spirituality, all things new. Very beautiful energy that you're in right now. New feelings, new spirituality, and new intuition. Like your intuition is really heightened at this time. Like you are a spiritual baddie at this point. Baddie. So we're going to go ahead and get into my Ethers deck to further break down these energies and see what's going on, what's good with these energies and what's not. Holy Spirit, what's this isolation and loneliness with this Hermit card in the reverse? Give me a card, please, and thank you. What do we need to know about this Hermit isolated energy? Holy Spirit, Virgo energy. 9 of Cups in a reverse. So they're in this energy, or 9 of Cups in the upright, because someone has a desire to move to the next level in a relationship with you. So this could be someone that this isolated energy had designs on, whether it's your masculine or your feminine, okay, and they were being slowed down. Okay, because this 9 of Cups energy in the upright don't want them. They want you. Okay, they want to move to the next level in a relationship with you. This could be your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your twin ray relationship. What is this 8 of Wands in the reverse, though, Holy Spirit? This being slowed down. Give me a card, please, and thank you. Yeah, someone who has lost their ever-loving mind. Someone that is batshit crazy. 4 swords in the reverse. They're being slowed down, okay, because they have no direction, okay? They're experiencing obstacles. Something about optical illusions, okay? Messing with someone's scope of vision, okay, could be significant, and they're being blocked off from doing so. What's this 3 of Wands in the reverse, Holy Spirit? Give me a card, please, and thank you. Okay, we got about 2 cards that jumped out. Okay, yeah, some new communication is coming in regarding someone who is insecure that's being blocked off. What's this 8 of Swords energy in the upright, Holy Spirit? Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. What's this trapped and confined energy? Is this prison? Or is this trapped within their own self-victimization? This is somebody that was trying to play you. Player energy. Could have had you entangled in a situationship, an entanglement, or another. But they're trapped within this own situation that they tried to trap you in. What's this 6 of Pentacles in the reverse? This dominating someone's resources. I just saw 23 on the clock timer. Okay, yeah, so someone is going to go to prison for trying to dominate your resources by criminal means. We have this Page of Swords coming out. This is an undercover agent working behind the scenes. So this is a King of Swords in the reverse that was being brutal and cruel towards you. They had you in some sort of situationship. Yeah. They could have been working with a dark high priest, male or female, with this King of Wands coming out in the reverse. They could have employed someone to do some sort of spell work or energy manipulation against you. And you found this out with this Sun energy. Two of Pentacles in the upright. Someone wants to come in and work with you, offer some sort of business collaboration of some sort that could be very lucrative for you. Should you decide to go that route, it's going to bring in large financial blessings. What's this star in the reverse, Holy Spirit? What's this energy? This faithlessness, this high level insecurity. Okay. So yeah, this was someone with this Eight of Wands who was being stubborn, causing conflict with your loved ones or people that cared about you. What's this world energy, Holy Spirit? This harmonious energy after completing several cycles within one. I mean, spellbound. Okay, this new harmonious energy includes the Two of Cups. Some sort of union, yeah, with your divine counterpart. For some of you, if you've been seeing 222, this is definitely your message. Or 22, master number 22, you could be in a magician energy or master manifester. But for some of you, this lucrative business offer and this Two of Cups union energy is with your divine counterpart. So some of you are going to be working with your divine counterpart. Others of you, this is two separate energies. Entergy could be significant. What is Entergy? I know that is a power company. In what is that, Maryland area, I believe. Entergy. Entergy. Let's see here. 1 second. Okay. Let's see here. It has something to do with electronics and electricity. Let's see, 1 second. Energy is the foundation for a complete ambulatory platform that connects your entire practice. Greenway Health. EHR Practice and Management Solutions. And this could also be something to do with integrity. Okay, Entergy is a resource conservation firm promoting energy efficiency. Okay, so Entergy is promoting energy efficiency. Okay, so the divine could be promoting how to be more efficient with your energy, how to use your energy more efficiently. At the bottom of the deck, so we're dealing with some sort of dark occult with this confirmation. Thank you, Holy Spirit, that's trying to mess with you energetically, trying to have you doubt yourself. They could be attacking you in your dream state, but pay attention to your dreams. It could also be revealing something to you. Oftentimes, as light beings, chosen ones, we are doing spiritual warfare in our dream state. But it's alerting you to someone who is financially irresponsible and financially insecure and is overindulging in a person, place, or thing. Could be substances, doesn't always have to be. It could be your resources and your energy. But Spirit warned them that you are the Empress and that this new beginning is yours. You are in an alchemistic energy, transmuting energies. So someone is definitely working with also a King of Swords in the reverse. So this could be some sort of contract killer, or this could be some sort of crooked authority working within the legal systems. But you are definitely in this King of Pentacle energy, or this is your counterpart, Wisdom of Solomon energy, very secure and abundant. This could be, your twin flame. Confirmation, this is your twin flame. The twin to your Queen of Pentacles. Okay, the King to your Queen of Pentacles. 757 could be significant. But this divine masculine energy, regardless of gender, is ready for war and is in this air of showing unconditional love. Okay? You are unmasking the beholders of this evil eye that's being sent towards you. And as I say, this Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles, here's the Queen of Pentacles right here. Someone is definitely going to prison. 7 of Wands in the upright. A King of Cups in the reverse, possibly a deadbeat father or a deadbeat energy. Someone who doesn't provide for their loved ones, a male or female. You are abundant and you have a message. It has everything to do with your prosperity and abundance, and it's depressing these individuals. Okay? So, as we move along, by the way, we're in cartomancy. I don't know, I can't recall if I stated that. But I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my mystical deck since they want to play these dark arts. Holy Spirit, what else do we need to know at this time about these people who are aggressively minding the business of someone else, which is why they have no direction, with this Chariot in the reverse being the temperance of this reading? What else do we need to know at this time, Holy Spirit? Give me a card, please, and thank you. Yeah, again, 4 swords in the reverse. 44 could be significant. 444 could be significant. If you've seen 444, 222, this is your message. Yeah, somebody's definitely, at least 2 people have gone insane, okay? Batshit crazy. For trying to send you abrupt endings with this 5 of Swords in the reverse. So it's gone from the 4 of Swords to 5 of Swords, both in the reverse. So that's giving me 9 of Swords in the reverse energy. Evil eye. Okay, that's evil eye right there. What else do we need to know, Holy Spirit, behind these energies? Give me a card, please, and thank you. Yeah, they're going through it internally on an emotional level. Their emotional body is all over the place. Okay? What else, Holy Spirit? Yeah, because they're financially insecure and irresponsible. 6 of Pentacles in the reverse. Ain't no amount of spell work or nothing that's going to be able to change that in their favor. They're being blocked and slowed down. You, on the other hand, you're in this energy of birthright and inheritance. 4 Pentacles in the upright. Some of you could be seeing 44. Yeah, they tried to 10 of Swords you over this. That's a hit order right there. Yeah, which is why they're going to prison. They was doing too much, yeah. And they know that somebody wants to move to the next level in a relationship with you with that 9 of Cups in the upright. Okay? It could have been a King of Pentacles in the reverse. Somebody who was extremely bad with money, investing in the wrong thing, people, places, and whatnot. I'm going to go ahead and use this heart deck. We're still in cartomancy. What's going on with this love situation, Holy Spirit? What do we need to know about this here? Give me a card, please, and thank you. Yeah, they're depressed. 9 of Wands in the reverse because you're coming into union with your divine counterpart. They're blinded. They can't see what's going on right now. Okay, you're in this, this is twin flame energy, 4 of Wands. You're very tempered. I feel like both of you are balancing practicality and logic with things of the divine and spirituality. Showing unconditional love to others, following your intuition, Okay? These people that's depressed, they all up in their head, in their psyche. You're flowing with divine time. And your persona, you're known to be financially secure and responsible with the Six of Pentacles in the upright. I feel like so is your counterpart, your twin flame that you're coming into union with. And no, not everyone comes into union with their twin flame. And no, not everyone has a twin flame. Okay? Eight of Swords in the reverse. I feel like this is someone who's in deep sorrow and regret because they're taking an introspective look at themselves. Okay? Someone's in that energy. And they're in deep sorrow and regret for the way that they're moving. Somebody else could be in the Eight of Swords energy in the upright, hiding, trying to hide evidence. But you're keeping balance on a soul level, and it's putting someone at a crossroads. Okay? You could be a gatekeeper. Yeah, this person, because of your harmony and completing these cycles with that world energy, they will not get wish fulfillment. Yeah, they're overindulging, and somebody is in pain. Okay, they're overindulging on a King of Cups energy in the upright. This could be your counterpart who is a family chief. You're transcending in your dream state. So again, be very aware of what's going on during your dream state. Recalibrate from this fake love that was being doled out by a Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, so here we have the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So we had the King and Queen of Pentacles both in the upright. Now we have the King and Queen of Cups in the upright. So this is definitely a union, a counterpart, possibly even an Emperor or Empress energy, Emperor and Empress energy. Yeah, these people sending you evil eye is spreading lies and rumors. It's a King of Pentacles in the reverse that is in poverty now and creating a generational curse of poverty, lack, and homelessness and bad health because they're jealous and envious. You have peace and harmony, even though that you know that these people were trying to steal from you with the Two of Pentacles in the reverse. Their health is going down the drain. And you have the same desire to move to the next level in a relationship with your kingdom spouse. You both are exposing individuals that you walked away from using your clairvoyance, your intuition. Yeah, there's a masculine here, an actual man here that's in this Two Cup energy and spirit said that's the motherfucking truth. That's bringing a new beginning, an offer of love towards you, fem masculine, however it relates to you. So we're now going to jump into my story oracle. Okay? To see what's going on out here in these spiritual streets, as so above as below. Okay. Spiritual streets is the people's talking in the ethers and down below, okay? What's going on? Somebody ain't going through no rebirth because they don't reflect, they don't go within. What else do we need to know at this time, Holy Spirit? Give me a card, please, and thank you. Give me a card, please, and thank you, Holy Spirit. 37:37 on the clock timer, 10:10. Completion. Going back to that, confirming that world energy in the upright. You're putting these people to shame. Okay, you're not experiencing a loss. This cycle is not a loss for you, regardless of what the right now situation looks like. You're not at a loss for anything for masculine. These people thought they were smart, but they were no mastermind. They weren't in no mastermind energy. These are people that you didn't trust, shouldn't trust, will never trust, don't trust, have no trust as an inheritance. Okay? Yeah, like I just said, they don't go within, they don't reflect. What else, Holy Spirit? There is a storm warning for these people. Okay, we just came out of Hurricane Helene, and I saw something with the weather. They're saying that there's another natural storm that is already brewing, headed the same path as Hurricane Helene. Okay, so this could be a natural storm warning or a supernatural storm warning. However it resonates, it's a storm warning. Confirmation. Thank you, Holy Spirit. So all is not going according to plan for these karmic ass energies. So if someone was following you, they're not able to follow you no more. They're being blocked. Okay? Slowed down and blocked from trying to keep up with the times. Love. Yeah, this is a reading of love. You're coming into union with your divine counterpart. And I love that for us. 808, 88 could be significant. Boom, like an 808. 708 could be significant. That's a suburb in Chicago. You're not a hoarder. You know how to let go and release things that no longer serve you. What else, Holy Spirit? Yeah, and you have an unlikely ally, which could be your divine kingdom spouse. Okay, someone that you wouldn't consider to be. These people, though, are shallow. And that's why they have no new beginning and getting this storm message. Secret revealed through this message that was sent out, that was intercepted by the divine. There's no plot twist for these people who are not flying high. They're in ruins. Okay? Ain't no celebration for them because they ain't got the victory. Okay, we took the narrow path, and we're proud of that. We're hard at work. We're in this art of letting go. Okay? And that put a wrench in the works for these karmic ass energies. It incapacitated them, in other words. Okay? So I'm grabbing my channel messages, and at the bottom it says, I am the light and the shadow. So you're balanced. Okay? You know how to operate between energies. Someone who is scared of lonely wants to make atonement. I did horrible things to you, and I'm sorry. That's what that message says. I did horrible things to you, and I'm sorry. And here it is again, so I'm going to take that out. They don't want to be nosy anymore. They don't want to be all up in your business. Because they're seeing the lack of benefits with doing so. Somebody's in that energy. You're a hard worker. You work hard. Someone didn't believe that no weapon formed against you would prosper. They believed that their weapons would prosper. Okay. Giving the benefit of the doubt when the doubt is the benefit. So someone is giving someone else the benefit of the doubt. This could be someone that's in this energy of gossip. There's a virus, though. Someone could be sick, or this could be a computer virus. But something's coming to a screeching halt regarding these individuals. Power outages. See? Somebody could be sleeping with the enemy. Somebody is a rapist sleeping with the enemy. So somebody out there is sleeping with someone who is a rapist, and they're working without knowledge. Okay? They need to pay attention. Yeah, there's evidence about whatever was going on behind the scene. You're a scholar who is out here saving lives. Okay? There could be some sort of porn that's being shared in some group messages. So if someone was illegally recording you and your sexual activities, they're placing it in group messages, and there's evidence about that. Their ass is going to prison. There's a monsoon coming. So a monsoon is a type of flood. Okay? So we already had that storm warning come out. Okay? So now we have monsoon that is coming out. It's a seasonal prevailing wind in the region of South and Southeast Asia, blowing from the southwest between May and September and bringing rain, or from the northeast between October and April. The dry monsoon. The rainy season accompanying the wet monsoon. Okay, so this is wind and rain. Okay, again, flood like weather. Okay, you'll be a witness to their karma, and you're in this energy of milk and honey. You'll be a witness to their karma, and you're in this energy of milk and honey. So again, regardless of what it looks like in the now, okay, you got it good, baby. So don't fret, don't trip, don't worry, okay? I'm going to close this thing out with some final messages from Tarot. Yeah, you done defeated these individuals. Ten of Swords says I cut the deck. The energy of defeat on their end. That's why they're isolated and alone, going to prison. Somebody could even be in solitary confinement. You're in this Eight of Cups energy, walking away from the disillusionment, moving forward. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Holy Spirit, what are the final messages that we need to know at this time that you want us to be aware about? Give me a card, please, and thank you, Holy Spirit. The Star. In the upright, you are just star energy, shining brightly, very successful. You could be meant to be internationally known on a global scale. Okay, with this star energy, you doing a damn thing. Okay, and everybody knows it. You're being rejuvenated during this time as well. I think the star came out in the last reading as well, or the reading I did yesterday. Okay, so we got this Emperor in the reverse, this dark masculine energy. Could be a dark leader, a dark source leader. Emperor in the reverse. Either way, they baby batter is stale and sour as fuck. They're reaping tarnished harvest for planting tarnished seeds, okay? Everything that they're harvesting right now, if anything, is working against them. Okay, and they mad about it. Six of Swords, you're moving on to calmer waters from this energy, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. What else, Holy Spirit? Seven of Cups in the reverse. Yeah, somebody's confused as fuck. All up in their head, they don't know how shit happened. They thought they planned things so meticulously, trying to cause a diversion to other people, and now they're diverted than they themselves. What else, Holy Spirit, for his final words? Knight of Wands, you're moving forward in adventure and excitement, fearless, okay? There's nothing to fear but fear itself. Page of Pentacles, very ambitious, hard at work, building something, creating something. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus energy, okay? You will not be deterred in this energy. Okay? You got it going on. Final message, Queen of Pentacles energy. What I say? You're the abundant one. Divine feminine energy, male or female. In this energy of practicality, creature comforts. Okay? Financial security, very attractive. It could be even kind of witchy a little bit. Got your own individual personal magic in a good way. Four of Pentacles in the upright, conserving your resources. As somebody feels disconnected with you because of this justice that's coming in. All these from the bottom of the deck. Okay? You can see those, all of that from the bottom of the deck. Okay? So that's my time, Fem Masculine. If you want to book me or donate to the channel, click like, share, subscribe. All of the information in order to reach me is in the description box below. Until next time, I love you all unconditionally. Bye. Ashe.
I'm trying to get to where I'm going, and ain't nobody gonna stop me, or whatever going on, the talking and the captions or whatever the memes. It can't stop me because it's a vision that I have and it's goals that I have that I set out for myself that I gotta get there no matter what.